Yeah. That's a bit of an issue.
Now, go to that trail.
Whoa! You bent the brake a little bit. Maybe not.